Hello there, good afternoon. This is Brian Hitzelberger, your art appreciation professor, and we have arrived at our last week's discussion as well as our last graded activity. So I want to direct your attention to this week's discussion post. You'll notice that it's labeled as graded activity number 7 and discussion number 15. So the grade for this post will actually count twice, so it's kind of an extra special post. This post will also serve as your Gen Ed artifact for this class in addition to your compare and contrast final paper. So what will we be doing this week? Well, for this week's discussion video, I want you to select one artwork or artist from your text and discuss that artwork or artist's significance within art history. Why, according to your text and your own research, is this an important piece or person? Why is this in a textbook? What is it precisely that makes this piece or this artist necessary to examine when learning about the history of human creativity within the visual arts? Be sure to name the artist or artwork under discussion in the first portion of your video. If possible, include a link to an image of the artwork online under the link to your video. Your videos can and should include references to the way the piece or artist uses their medium and references to any position the work takes in art history. Is it is the artist part of a certain movement? How does the work embody aspects of that movement and why? How did the artist use the medium to achieve their goals? Did the way they used the medium used in your subject change the way that that medium was used after? If so, how? These are all questions that you want to answer in this video, okay? It's not like you don't want to answer some but not others. You want to actually address all of them. For that reason, you should be sure to select an artwork or artist that actually is going to allow you to have a discussion that is this meaty, so to speak. And you're not going to be able to make this video successful unless you take notes beforehand and prepare. This is not going to be something where you're just going to want to turn on the camera and speak, okay? So you're going to actually want to make a scholarly presentation because these videos will be used as Gen Ed assessment artifacts, and thus they'll be evaluated not only by me, but also by other professors and other faculty. So be sure to prepare for them. These absolutely have to be the best videos that you've made thus far. Take a look at those questions. Include references to the way the artist uses their medium, any references to the position the work takes in art history. How does it fit into art history? Is that work part of a certain movement? If so, how does the work embody aspects of that movement and why? How did the artist use the medium to achieve their goals? And did the artist push the medium forward? Okay. Several artists are actually noteworthy in art history because the way they worked with their particular medium caused it to actually move forward. Any artist, any medium, anything that you find in your text is fair game for this project. Okay? This post is an open-ended exploration intended to gauge your apprehension of the basic principles of this course, so give it your best shot. As always, I'm looking for several minutes of video, scholarly language and tone, and examples from theories drawn from your text. Good luck and have fun. Okay? I think it would also be helpful for us if you would try and use as much of the language and terminology from this course that you've learned as you can in your video. So this is due, and then your final paper is due, and that actually completes the course. Once again, this particular discussion video grade will be counted towards your graded activities as well as your discussion grades. You'll also want to respond to 2 other classmates' discussion videos. I really look forward to seeing what you guys do with these, and I hope you have a stellar last week of school. Thanks so much, and as always, email me with any questions.